Okay. We're gonna have our lovely assistant Haley take away these active booty switch sip water bottles. And you and I are gonna grab our magic wand. And for our first trick, we're gonna make that person who gave you lots of red flags disappear. And throw it down. Wave your wand.
Tell me all the ways you need me. I'm not here for long. Catch me.
Sleight of the hand. Oh my gosh. You're so distracting. Put on your hat and vanish.
Catch me or I go Houdini. Time is passing like a solar eclipse.
Oh my god, your Houdini hands look so good.
It's your moment, baby, don't let it slip.
The audience is enthralled with your performance. Are you sure you haven't done magic before?
Catch me or I go Houdini.
Double roll. Abracadabra arms. Yes.
Maybe you could cause a girl to
Other way.
Do you think about
Yes.
it night and day?
Arms big.
Maybe you could be the one to make
Snap.
me stay. Everything you say is sounding so sweet, but do you practice everything that you preach?
My mom sure doesn't.
Something that'll make me believe.
Hey.
If you got it, baby, give it to me.
Wave your
They
wand.
say I come and I go. Tell me all the ways you need me. I'm not here for long. Catch me or I go Houdini. I come and I go. Prove you got the right to please me. Everybody knows.
Go.
Catch me or I go
Roll.
Houdini. If you're good
Double
enough
roll.
to find a way,
Abracadabra arms. Hey.
maybe you could cause a
God,
girl
you're
to
magic.
change. Do you think
Double
about
roll.
it night and day? Maybe you could be the one to make
Wave your
me
wand.
stay.
Front. Good. Take it high. Cast your spell. Smoke bomb. Oh my god. It's working. Speed this up. Go.
Come and I go. Tell me all the ways you need me. I'm not here for long. Catch me or I go Houdini. I come and I go. Prove you got the right.
Last one. Smoke.
Everybody knows.
Jump.
Catch me or I go Houdini.
Sleight of the hand. Woo. Last time.
Catch me or I go Houdini. They say